Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best car deep scratch removers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Dupli-Color Touch-Up Spray Paint. Some scratches are just too deep to get rid of using polishing agents, whether it's a really deep gash or a paint chip, so Dupli-Color has got you covered. Their exact match touch-up car paint pens feature a simple 2-in-1 primer and paint process, so you can easily touch up damage to make your car look like new. The abrasive tip removes any dirt, grub, or dust from your surface, and one coat of paint is all you need to restore that scratch or chip. Their color selection is designed to perfectly match the factory finish of your car model. Make sure you pick the right color, as this product paints onto the surface. A mismatch of colors can ruin the look and feel of your vehicle. For over 60 years, Dupli-Color has been known for its perfect match in touch-up automotive paints. With an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 on Amazon, customers are delighted at how easy the Dupli-Color is to use, how well it performs, and how affordable it is. This handy pen can save you thousands over an expensive paint job. Number 2. Our second best pick is Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Next up from the legendary car care brand, Turtle Wax, their amazing scratch repair and renew scratch remover aims to repair years of damage in one singular use. Protective resins deposit a barrier for permanent paint restoration that doesn't wash away, zapping scratching, paint transfer, and swirl marks to make your car look good as new. The solution can be applied by hand or using an electric machine. Their innovative formula features their proprietary heal and seal technology, with their platelets that safely work away scratches. Amazon customers are impressed with the results from this handy tool. If you have got light scratches or blemishes on your car, the Turtle Wax Scratch Remover is another great option for a competitive price. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Glass Polish 21005 DIY Windshield Polishing Kit. If you've got a scratch on your windscreen, the Glass Polish 21005 DIY Windshield Polishing Kit can help you polish and buff out the scratches to leave your windscreen looking like new. Using this product helps you remove wiper blade damage, minor glass blemishes, scuffs, superficial scratches, hard water deposits, adhesive residue, tree sap while restoring the original shine to the surface. In the box, you have a hook and loop backer that attaches to any standard electric drill between 1000 to 2000 RPM, felt polishing pads, and a specialist glass polishing compound. Amazon reviewers rate this product very highly, including one customer that inadvertently scratched up their driver's side window with a shovel. After using this product, the scratches on their glass disappeared. You can use this product on the windshield, rear-view windows, side windows, and vintage glass headlights. This Glass Polish 21005 is an affordable solution for any windscreen mishaps. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.